Hi there, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and this is our ex-demonstrator MG3 Excite, which is now available from Seaford MG. This 2021 registered MG3 Excite is presented to you in laser blue with just 4,842 miles completed. Like mentioned, this is our previous service loan vehicle, so it's one of our demonstrator cars, meaning that it was supplied from us brand new and registered firstly to us as an original owner. Now available for sale, this low mileage example is a great opportunity to get a fantastic value for money MG3 Excite. This car features the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, whilst internally featuring the grey and black cloth seats with multi-function steering wheel, large integrated media screen which has your DAB radio, and also 5-speed manual gearbox. This car also comes with a nice array of extras from factory. The car also has the front and rear mud flaps, rear parking sensors, and rear rubber boot liner too, which is part of the MG protection pack. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or a personalised video, contact us at Seaford MG on 01323 898 818. Thanks for watching.